guys, welcome back to another look at the markets. Let's start with the DXY as always. I think we have to assume now that this one is definitely bearish. We've seen a big drop off on the 4 hour chart here. If I draw the trend lines down here, you can see the drop off following obviously all of the news the dollar had, the NFP, all points now for a bearish dollar. We're back up at resistance here. I think that's just going to obviously drop away to the previous support level. If we go on to the daily chart, you'll be able to see where we're going. If you look downwards, there's the 102 level, and also more of a better level would be the 100.76 level. You can see that there's a lot of wicks on the weekly chart there. We could see that go all the way down there and then maybe bounce off there. If we go through there, we can look for the 99 level. I think obviously it's going to stay the same this week. There's quite a bit of news coming out on it this week, but I think the reason is obviously the rate cuts idea has been again brought forward, so maybe it's going to be more probable, so we'll see what happens. Anyway, we see the GBP USD on the weekly chart. The level of 131 is the key level here. We've broken out of the area of 127. We are at 128.549. If we zoom into the 15-minute chart here, you can see here it's in a lovely bullish trend. I'm going to put some trend lines in here shortly for you, and you'll be able to see that, just clearing up my chart, you'll be able to see where I think this one's going to go. Let's stick the trend lines in. Hang on a minute, sorry. Here we go, let's put the trend lines in. So yeah, lovely bullish trend on this, obviously ongoing. I reckon we can see we've got higher highs and higher lows going nicely in the market there. The pound is actually fairly strong considering we're in a recession here. We're going to see that obviously go up to the 130.755 level. Euro the same. It looks ready to go for another go here. It's already broken out, retested, and falling back as well. I already marked this out the other day. I did a video, but it looks like if we hold this level on the 109.197 level, then we've got plenty of upside here. If you look upwards, you can see obviously the wicks here of the 109.197 level. But if we look to the top there at the 111 level, which I'm going to mark out shortly, then we can see there that there could be a nice climb up on this one. This looks like this could be one to watch for the week ahead. I reckon obviously it's going to stay bullish. We can go up to the 111.157 level. Be able to see that here. I'm going to mark it up for you. If we go onto the 1 day chart and bring my cursor down, that is a good level to watch there. Slightly down, 110.940 then. Yeah, so I'm going to be watching this one all week and see if we can get a good in on that on the Monday morning there. Let's move into the Euro GBP. Again, this is just stuck in a range, this one. But we have seen it go down to make a double bottom here. The level is 84.994, which we've hit again here. This one's simple, really. If we see a breakout below, then we're going to obviously see further downside to the 83.899 level. If we see a bounce here, we can see the 85.759 level here. So I'm just going to be watching this one, just see where it goes. We've been stuck here for quite a while, so we need a bit of direction on this one. Let's see what happens on this one, and we can go from there. Again, the pound's quite strong, so is the euro. So there we go. Bitcoin, obviously this one, not sure on this one, but I've marked out the 68.757 level. Obviously went right up to 69,000. We stay above this level, I'm going to be looking for longs. If we break down here, I'm going to be looking for longs at the 60,000 level or the 63,000 level. I don't see why it won't continue, to be honest, with the news and everything like that. Thank you for watching.